नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में है। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। ऑन वेडनेसडे ऑल थ्री मेजर यूएस इंडाइसेस staged a strong recovery from early weakness, closing the session significantly higher. The rebound followed a Bloomberg report that said that the Trump administration is considering a 1 month delay for automakers from newly imposed tariffs on Mexico and Canada. The Nasdaq surged 1.36% and the Dow climbed 1.14% and the S&P 500 gained 1.12%. The Brent oil continued its southward journey on Wednesday and ended the session at $69.23 level with a loss of 2.49%. Most noteworthy, this was the lowest daily closing since December 2021. Going ahead, it is likely to continue its southward journey and test the level of $66 in the short term. The US dollar index extended its losing streak for the third consecutive session, closing at 104.27 with a 1.19% decline. Over the last three sessions, the index has slipped by more than 3%, a positive signal for emerging markets like India. If the downtrend continues, 103.5 could be the next key level to watch. Talking about Nifty's view, the benchmark index Nifty experienced 10 consecutive days of negative closing, marking its longest losing streak in the last 29 years. However, on Wednesday, the index found support near its 100-week EMA and the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level of its prior upward rally, that is from 15,183 to 26,277. This triggered a sharp pullback rally with Nifty closing above the 22,300 mark, gaining 1.15%. Notably, the broader market exhibited strong bullish momentum with Nifty Midcap and Nifty Small Cap 100 surging 2.42% and 2.96% respectively. The Nifty's 14-period daily RSI tested the low of 21.79 level on Tuesday, which was an oversold region as per the RSI range shift theory. And thereafter, we witnessed a strong rebound in the RSI on Wednesday. Most noteworthy, the daily RSI has given a bullish crossover, which indicates a limited downside for now. The daily stochastic also portraying a similar picture as percentage case quoting above percentage D, and both are in the rising mode. Considering these technical factors, we believe the index is likely to continue its pullback rally in the next couple of trading sessions. लेवल्स की बात करें तो 22,420 टू 22,450 का जोन एक इमीडिएट हर्डल बनेगा इंडेक्स के लिए। अगर इंडेक्स सस्टेन करता है 22,450 के लेवल के ऊपर, तो हम विटनेस कर सकते हैं एक पुलबैक रैली अप टू 22,600 फॉलोड बाय 22,750 शॉर्ट टर्म में। While downside पर सपोर्ट शिफ्ट हो गया हायर इन द जोन ऑफ 22,200 to 22,170 level. On the derivatives front, the March futures surged by 1.13%, while the combined open interest for the current, next and far series also surged by 0.40%. The 22,500 strike has a significant call open interest followed by the 22,600 strike. On the put side, the 22,200 has a substantial open interest followed by the 22,100 strike. For the current weekly series, OIPCR is at 1.03, while for the monthly series, it is at 0.95. The Bank Nifty found support near its prior swing lows, aligning with the 100-week EMA zone. This led to a minor pullback rally on Wednesday. However, over the past three trading sessions, the index has been underperforming the frontline indices, indicating relative weakness. Going ahead, 48,700 to 48,800 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट हर्डल का एक्ट करेगा, वाइल डाउनसाइड पर 48,100 to 48,000 का जोन will act as support in case of any immediate decline. Talking about Sensex view, the benchmark index Sensex also witnessed a pullback rally on Wednesday and ended the session at 73,730 level with a gain of over 1%. Going ahead, the 74,200 to 74,300 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल का काम करेगा, वाइल डाउनसाइड पर 73,300 to 73,200 का जोन एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा इंडेक्स के लिए. On the derivative front, the weekly future surged by 1.06% and the open interest of the current series has dipped by over 3%, which indicates an overall short covering rally. The 74,000 strike has a significant call open interest followed by the 74,500 strike. On the put side, 73,500 has a substantial open interest followed by the 73,000 strike. For the weekly series, OIPCR is at 1.24. Talking about the key market indicators, the volatility index India VIX was trading in a narrow range of 12.91 to 14.36 levels in the last couple of trading sessions. Currently, it is trading below its short-term moving averages. Going ahead, the zone of 14.7 to 15 will act as an immediate hurdle for the index. The advance decline ratio largely tilted in the favor of advances. Talking about the key sectors, the Nifty Metal Index has been strongly outperforming the frontline indices over the past few trading sessions. On Wednesday, it registered a consolidation breakout on the daily chart, signaling further bullish momentum. Notably, all constituents of metal index ended in a positive territory, reflecting broad-based strength within the sector. Apart from this, Nifty Financial Services is likely to outperform in the short term. Talking about the FIDI data, the FI sold to the tune of 2,895 crore, while the DI is bought to the tune of 3,370 crores. The FI's long short ratio for index futures is at 17.29, as on a net basis they sold 31,174 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.